Jai Suryadev. Today, as a part of my precious discourse, I am going to enlighten you all on the importance of Burmese ruby, which is a very powerful astrological gemstone of planet Sun. People wear this gemstone on any novice advice, but always be mindful to wear it only and only on experts' advice. This gemstone is unique and rarest of rare. It is class apart in its effects from other gemstones of same class, representing planet Sun. It is literally a God's gift in terms of effect on an individual if correctly prescribed and worn. So, all my followers from across the globe, today I am going to speak on the importance of Burma ruby, most potent gemstone of planet Sun. Burmese ruby is the most sought after variety of ruby gemstone of the corundum family. It is found in variety of colors ranging from red, pink to pigeon blood red color. Burmese ruby is the standard by which all other rubies are judged. Burmese rubies have an almost mystical appeal to them, and why not, as it represents planet Sun. Sun is the most vibrating and powerful planet among all planets in solar system, and it is considered most important as per astrology for its effects in business, jobs, and all work and financial gains. According to legend, the owner of a ruby is assured a life of peace and plenty. The native, whose sun is weak but positive in horoscope, and then the same is prescribed after detailed examination, it creates an aura of supreme positivity. Burma ruby not only has the potency to enhance the concerning area where sun rules or in lord of, but it also aids in maintaining an overall balance of an individual. It will strengthen your weak planet in case sun is seeing them, and will also negate the evil eyes of bad planets in native chart. Always be mindful that Burma ruby would always have natural inclusions, birthmarks, internal cracks, or linings. It cannot be crystal clear. If it is, then it is either heat treated or rarest of rare, worth a crore. Intact rutile inclusions, also known as silk, provide validation that a ruby gemstone has not been heat treated. Ruby is also irradiated and treated with diffusion to enhance the color. Other enhancements include fracture filling with lead glass, which is conducted to render gemstone fit for jewelry use. Occasionally, ruby is oiled or dyed too. Always be mindful that Burma ruby should never be worn which are heat treated or synthetically enhanced, else it will have no positive effect. Most of gemstones floating in markets are mostly fake, and hence despite shelling out enormous hard-earned money, an individual is able to generate minimal or no effects. Also be very much informed that ruby should be worn only on very careful scrutiny of horoscope, and not simply based on zodiac sign Leo or date of birth or destiny number as 1, 10, 19, 28. If sun is evil or marka and ruby is worn, it will make your life hell, full of suffering and miseries. Hence, be it name number or gemstones, it should be prescribed basis of planets' placements in one's horoscope. The first step in adopting precious Burma ruby should always be that a person should buy this gemstone from a genuine gemstone seller. I would say a reputed or a known gemologist who provides the best quality stone. Then it should be studded in gold or copper ring and should be worn on Sunday morning in ring finger. After dipping the ring in holy Gangajal and raw cow milk to disperse all negativity within the stone, and then energizing the gem with the prescribed mantras. Offer agarbatti and flowers while worshipping and chanting the mantra of sun god. Om Suryaya Namah. The mantra should be chanted 108 times, and then the wearer should meditate on the gemstone as a symbol of sun god. After meditation, the ring should be worn on the ring finger of right hand. Like I always say, it's not an easy science to decipher the gemstones meant for you. Hence, you should consult me before wearing any in order to reap optimum benefits. And by any chance I have recommended Burma Ruby for you, apply it in order to receive supreme blessings of Sun God. So that's all about Burma Ruby. I will keep enlightening you all on the correct uses and importance of other gemstones in my upcoming discourses. Visit my website maavinaastro.com and schedule an appointment to understand your lucky dates, color, and gemstones, along with potent guidance and sharp predictions for your remarkable future. I can be your guiding angel in resolving all your personal and professional challenges. You can also email me on maavinaastro@gmail.com. And yes, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, since you would be getting here immense information and remedies concerning major areas of your life. God bless you. Stay strong, stay informed, and stay positive.